So today we're in the city of Downey. We're doing a drive-through of food distribution where households can come and participate, receive a 36-pound box of food that includes shelf-stable items like rice, beans, cereals, canned soups, canned meats, canned vegetables, as well as frozen protein and a bag of oranges.
Are you guys together or separate?
No, separate.
2 families. How many people in each household?
5.
4 and 5. Okay, got it.
Under COVID-19, our focus has been addressing those who are already under food insecurity, and on top of that, that thick layer of additional people that we typically don't serve. And this here is a great method for us to quickly address and help those that are in need of food assistance.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Right now, it's also a good time to show the community that the food bank's here and that all of us, all the people here, are with the community.
A little bit more. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Considering what's going on, like this is actually a really cool thing because you feel like the community involved, especially here in Downey, in the LA County as well. So if I'm able to help out, hey man, that's great. I'm blessed. So if you can give your time, I think that's a great thing too. So
Thank you. God bless. Bye.
On the county resource portal at lacounty.gov, we've created a place where anybody can go and get access to all of food assistance programs that we have, as well as where you can find events like this in your own community. Our ultimate goal is to make sure that nobody in LA County goes hungry during this crisis or even beyond. We're serving not just food, but we're serving hope.
You can go ahead and go. Have a good day.